Hi, I'm colleague from the OnceHub support team. Today, we are going to learn how to install and configure the OnceHub Chrome extension for Gmail. It helps you share booking calendar links quickly without the need of switching tabs on your Chrome browser. It's perfect when you want to streamline communication, save time, and it makes the entire booking process frictionless. Without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Chrome browser and you can search for Chrome extensions. Click on the first option that you see. Then in the search box on the top, type in OnceHub. You should see OnceHub for Gmail. Let's click here. On the right, click on Add to Chrome. Wait for it to get installed. Okay, so it says it's now installed. Once done, from the next time when you want to compose an email on your Gmail account, okay, so let's say, let's put this a name, a sender. You should see the OnceHub Chrome extension here. You can click on this and then it will ask you to sign in if you're not already signed into OnceHub. Click on the sign in option. Enter the email for your OnceHub account, enter the password and then sign in. Once you sign in, it should show you the list of all your booking calendars. You can see it under the view all option. So let's say you're typing an email. You can simply click on this OnceHub extension here. You can either copy the main link or you can personalize the link based on the email. Here you can see. Also, you can send a one-time link. So these one-time links gets expired once the booking is made. Okay. Additionally, you can also send the links for booking hubs. You can click from this drop down, select booking hub, and then you can either select the main link and you can personalize the booking hub link. That's it. You have just learned how to install and configure the OnceHub Chrome extension for booking calendars and how to use it to share links faster, personalize invitations, and provide a smooth scheduling experience. If you have any questions, do reach out to our support channels. We would be happy to assist. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe for more OnceHub tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.